Picture na natin mga ticket natin, eh.
Wow!
Oo, totoo. Basta.
Wow!
Sophia! Darling, somebody did a bathroom.
Sabi niyo.
Can we buy something? Let's make a picture.
Ay, nandun ba tayo? Pasok tayo.
Doon po namin.
Oo. Hanggang hapon naman tayo dito eh.
Oo, teka pa. Tara!
Here! Ayan!
Ulitin natin, binayad natin sa Disco Lord.
Ano yun? May napulot siya. Papa, may napulot siya. Ay, sorry, sir. You want it? Let's go. Saan tayo? Mainit pa kasi.
Mainit pa.
No, look. Si ano? Elsa Frozen. The other side. Ito. Yung castle. Tapos sa side niya. Sa side yung may blue. Castle. Castle. Anak! Ay! Walang boses. Yeah. Daddy! Sophia!
I want to do the.
This is so sparkly. I love to brush my hair with a table topper. Oh, it's so lovely to see you. I hope you have the best adventures planned for today. We're going to travel with half my friend Flounder. He's a little fish from this age, and he loves the look of treasure. Just like your beautiful necklace. Should I have a look out for it for me? Oh, it's so lovely to see you both. Should we catch the hotel or should I go this side? Perfect.